In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to repair shields in Arc Raiders. By the end, you'll know exactly where to practice, what item you need, how to equip it, and the precise inputs to bring your shields back up quickly and reliably. We're going to start in the practice range. This is the safest place to learn the timing and button sequence without the pressure of incoming fire. Think of it as your controlled environment. You can watch your HUD, listen for audio cues, and get comfortable using the recharger without wasting resources in a live match. Next, make sure you have a shield recharger in your inventory. This is the item that restores your shields over time. Open your inventory and move the shield recharger into your quick use section so it's available instantly when you need it. If you don't see it listed in quick use, double check that it's actually in your inventory and not stashed elsewhere. The goal here is to make activation a one-button process when things get hectic. Once it's in quick use, you're ready to deploy it. Press Q to bring up your quick use selection. Depending on your settings, this may appear as a wheel or a small menu. Navigate to the shield recharger and select it. You should see confirmation on your HUD that the recharger is the active item. If you've customized your key bindings, use whatever key you've assigned to quick use. The steps are the same. With the shield recharger selected, hold left click to begin the recharge. This is a hold action, not a tap, so keep the button pressed. You'll see your shield indicator start to build back up gradually. Stay steady and avoid interrupting the hold so the process isn't cut short. If your shields are only partially depleted, you can still use the recharger to top them off, but the most efficient practice is to commit once you start the hold and let it complete. As the charge finishes, listen for a distinct sound that tells you your shield is fully restored. That audio cue is your green light to release the button and move on. You can also confirm by glancing at your shield bar on the HUD. It should be filled and stable. Run this sequence a few times in the practice range. Quick check of your inventory setup, press Q to select the recharger, hold left click, and wait for the completion sound. When it feels natural, you'll be ready to do it smoothly in real combat.